G'day, Aussie Mark here again, and thank you very much for stopping by what I hope, fingers crossed, will be the third in a trilogy of landing a drone on a drone. I hope it's going to work. Today is going to be my final time, but if not, I'm sure there'll be a fourth, maybe a fifth. So, yep, I'm back at the park, and I've got a different concept together. I've actually listened to some of you guys who said, get rid of that box, take that box off the Phantom. It's too heavy. And I originally had it there because I was afraid of flying the little drone into the Phantom and crashing it. But yeah, I've gone and changed it around a bit. So stick with me, I'll show you what I've done. Okay, thank you for stopping by, and let's go have a look at the changes that I made to the drone. Well, as you can see, the box is well and truly gone, and instead I've left the arms on here that were holding the box on, and I've simply added this upright here so that then I can stretch a canopy right over the top of it. Pretty straightforward. I believe that's going to fly. So it must be that time. We've got to get up in the air and test it, see if it flies first. Let's try that.
Recording started.
And now, the moment of truth. Can he land a drone on a drone? I was afraid of flying the little drone into the Phantom and crashing it. And that's what I was afraid might happen. Well, it looks like it's going to be part 4, unfortunately. Damn it! Well, the Phantom flies really well with that canopy over it. That's pretty straightforward and easy to see. But because that little X21 is just hard to handle in the slight breeze that we have here, and it doesn't really have rates. I had it on low rates, so it's even harder to handle. I got it pretty close to landing on it, but yeah, you can see that she met a bit of a dismal end, and yeah, it won't be flying again, that little one. Sad, but there you go. So now I'll need to maybe see if I can put something around it just in case, or just get a drone that's got a bit more oomph in the wind and a bit more control, and something that I'm going to be able to land on there. Thanks for watching. Part 4 coming up, I guess. Now, before I go, instead of my usual outro, I'm going to hand it over to one of my subscribers. Take it away.
Hey guys, how's it going? Sam Hayden here. I wanted to thank you for checking out Aussie Mark's videos on my channel. I make videos on computers, I do drone stuff, I do different tech reviews and some vlogs, so a whole lot of different little things on my channel there. I'm also a subscriber of Aussie Mark, and we would both appreciate it if you would also give him a subscribe and like all of his videos. The link to my channel can also be found down below, so check me out. Subscribe, like my videos, and I promise to subscribe back. So thanks again, guys. Much appreciated. Let's continue to support each other, and have a great day. We'll see you later.